to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel and welcome to the last video of the series. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching 23 days of me, even though it wasn't back to back, but I did post 23 videos this month. I'm gonna make a playlist just in case you've missed any videos. You can check out the link in the description and you can watch everything on a loop. But anyway, let's move on to today's video. So for today, I'm gonna be doing a black food challenge. I have done a very similar video in the past, which was the pink food challenge, and I think I did that video way better than I did this one. Of course, you guys be the judge of what you think. Let me know in the comments down below. For some reason, I thought this video was going to be so easy, but it wasn't. You will see it very soon. It was quite fun, I would say that. But yeah, I think that's about it. Follow me on my Instagram because today's giveaway is going to be very exciting. At least I think it's going to be exciting. Without any further ado, let's just get started with today's video. Hi guys, so it is 11:30 right now and it's been a while since I've been up this early. I woke up early because I wanted to film the breakfast section of this video. I wanted to have breakfast after like forever. So for breakfast, I'm going to be making an acai bowl, a black acai bowl, and I also want to make like a detox drink. For my pink food challenge also, I made like a pink detox water, so I want to do the same for this challenge also. So yeah, let's go and get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off by making the detox water. So we have some water right here and I'm gonna be using charcoal powder. This is activated charcoal powder. This is food grade, of course, so I can use it to like add to my food and stuff like that. I feel like this is gonna be a savior throughout the entire video, so I'm just gonna add this. So I don't want to do too much. I think itna kafi hona chahiye. Yeah, I think this much is enough. And I'm going to be adding this blackcurrant just to like add more flavor to the water. So for the breakfast bowl, I have some Greek yogurt right here. By the way, I did say that it's going to be like an acai bowl. It's not an acai bowl. It's more like a yogurt bowl. So here I have some Greek yogurt to which I'm going to add this blackberry jam. I'm hoping this makes the yogurt black. Okay, so this is what it looks like once I've like mixed it all together. I know it looks like a gray, but trust me, it's like a very, very dark gray. Right now it looks like a light gray, but I added so much of this jam. And for the toppings, I'm gonna add some berries. Okay, so let's do a taste test really quickly. By the way, I'm sorry for the mess. I just woke up. I'm gonna clean after I'm done with my breakfast. So let's taste this. This tastes so good. It tastes exactly like the Epigame ka blueberry yogurt, if I'm not wrong. Fab. You can really just take some regular dahi and get that jam and make it yourself. I'll leave the jam ka link in the description. But I'm gonna have this now. I'm gonna take a bath, clean around, and then we'll move on to lunch ka preparation. I'm actually, you know what, gonna make one more bowl of this because it's so good. So I hope you guys consider this as like a black food because I could totally add in the charcoal powder and that would make it black for sure. But I didn't want to add it in because I have a feeling I'm gonna use charcoal powder for everything. So yeah, like cut me some slack. I hope this is like black food. Okay, so I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, so I'm going to start prepping my lunch. Now for lunch, we have two options. The first one is black idli and then the second one is black spaghetti. I think I'm going to be able to make black spaghetti for sure. So I'm gonna keep it aside and I'm gonna try making some black idli. Let me show you the prep work that I've done. So last night I soaked some urad dal. Now this is black urad dal, not the regular one. And here we have some black rice which looks like brown rice. So this is what is gonna make the batter for the idli. And then as I mentioned earlier, this is the backup. This is the black bean spaghetti. I got it from Amazon. So as you can see, it is black in color. So काफी foolproof है ये product. So इसको बाद के लिए use करेंगे. Let's move on to making the idli. Okay, so turns out that the idli ka atta needs to ferment for 4 to 5 hours. I don't know how I forgot that part. So we're gonna let that ferment. I'll have that for dinner, and for now I'm gonna go make some spaghetti, black spaghetti. I think I showed you in the morning. So yeah, let's go make some spaghetti. Okay, so I'm starting to get a little bit hungry, so I'm gonna have this chocolate. This is from La Folie. It's their intense black jaggery chocolate. So turns out it's brown, it's not black, so I can't eat it, but you guys can. By the way guys, in case you're wondering where I am, I'm at Aditya and Adya's place because I don't have a mixer, so I came here to make the idli. So I can't really have this, you guys can try.
क्या food reaction channel है क्या?
चल
क्या vlog कर रही है? कड़वा कड़वा
कड़वा है? Tastes okay, not bad. Okay, so we're done with lunch. I did not really like the taste of the spaghetti, even though I'm not very like picky with my food. For some reason I just could not eat this, so Aditya and Adya finished it for me. So I am a little bit hungry, but I'm glad I had the breakfast in the morning. But I'm gonna attempt, I'm gonna try another chocolate which I also think is gonna be brown. It's Amul ka sugar free dark chocolate. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be black, I mean brown. It's brown.
It's brown.
So
Why
I can't.
did you not get Bonville?
Yeah. So we tried to get Bonville, but we couldn't find it anywhere. So this is all we had. Okay, I can't eat it. Okay, I'm gonna find something else to eat because I do need to eat thoda sa something, maybe something sweet, because then it'll fill me up. Not fill me up, give me like that boost of energy. Okay, so I'm gonna have these. These are til ke laddus. This morning Aditya's mom very kindly made these. They're actually very yummy and very healthy. So I'm gonna have these. So this has coconut, jaggery, and of course black til. I'm gonna have a few of these and then I'll catch you at tea time. Hi guys, so it's been a while. I got ready, I filmed a few videos, and I'm also wearing an all black outfit because we're doing a black food challenge. So I'm really hungry, especially because I didn't really have lunch. थोड़ा सा lunch के बाद वो लड्डू खा लिए थे, but उसके बाद बहुत भूख लग रही है. So I think I'm gonna make some black coffee because I am starting to get a little bit like sleepy and tired, and the day is nowhere near done. So I'm gonna make some black coffee. I don't really have black coffee. I have like proper coffee with milk. So we'll see how that goes. And other than that, I have some muffins which are so yummy. They look so yummy. I haven't tried them out yet, so let me show you what they look like. Okay, so this is what the muffins look like. They're black muffins. Aditi baked these for me. She's so talented. She baked me bagels also for my birthday. I'm gonna make sure to link her Instagram in the description box. But if you like food or like desserts, you have to check out her page. I'm so excited to have one of these right now with my coffee. Sorry for the mess. I just got done filming, but I'm gonna taste test the black coffee. Smells so bad. Not that bad actually. I think I'm gonna be able to like finish the whole thing because I need some caffeine. On to the exciting part. I'm gonna try out the muffin. This is honestly so good. I'm not a big like dessert person, but I really like this. I'm definitely gonna finish this and I will have one more, that's for sure. Okay, so I'm done filming, editing and uploading. Now I'm gonna go make some idli. Let's see how that turns out. If it doesn't turn out well, I don't really have a backup because I actually did have a backup which was black moong. So I was gonna make black moong ka salad, but moong ko bhigoya, usme hi uska black color nikal gaya. So I don't know if the black was like a coloring or what, I don't know. So let's just hope that the idli turns out fine. So this is what the batter looks like. Would have been perfect for the purple food challenge, But now I'm just gonna add some charcoal powder, obviously, mix it all together, and let's just hope for the best. Okay, so this is what the idli looks like. It's definitely not like super hard and firm like a regular idli, but bana hai. So I did actually try this out and it tastes pretty good. Okay, so this is what the idlis look like. I know, not very appetizing. And here we also have some chutney. So I just made some regular chutney and then added charcoal powder usme. Charcoal powder, I guess, is like the theme of this video. So I'm gonna do a taste test. So I know it does look very gross, but I've tried it pehle also, the batter, and it didn't taste that bad. So let's see how the idli actually tastes. Tastes like regular actually idli only. Sirf थोड़ा taste अलग probably because of the black urad dal and the black rice. So I'm just gonna eat these two. Yeah. So I'm done with dinner. The idli, I had 2 idlis. They were okay, like mediocre. Kha liya. Now we've ordered a waffle. So my favorite waffle from Belgium Waffle is called Black and White Fantasy or Dark and White Fantasy, something on those lines. So basically it's like a white waffle with like a white chocolate ka filling. I'm gonna probably remove the white filling and then just eat the waffle. So yeah, I'm excited for that for sure. By the way, I haven't had a waffle in like 6 months. We don't really order anything. My parents don't allow me to order anything. So it's the first time that I'm ordering in 6 months something bahar se. So I'm excited. Of course, I'll sanitize everything, and I'm also thinking I'll heat up the waffle in the microwave just to make sure, like, kill all the germs if there are any. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so this is what the waffle looks like. It looks brown on camera, but I promise it's called Dark and White Fantasy. Like Black and White Fantasy? Ki Dark and White? Dark and White. So it is like supposed to be like really dark in color. ये जो ऊपर का white है वो मैं अभी scrape करके निकाल दूँगी, and I'll just eat the waffle वाला part because I'm so hungry. Hi guys. So we're paying tribute to the Black Food Challenge by wearing black clothes. And also wearing a black face mask. In case you're interested, it is, do we have it? It is by Dot and Key. It's gonna be linked in the description. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Thode time mein I'll make like a midnight snack and I'll show you what I'm making.
It's not a sponsored video, by the way.
Yeah, it's not sponsored. So for my midnight snack, I'm just having some kishmish, black kishmish. I do have some like soya bean soaked, but I'm just too lazy to do anything with it. So I'm just gonna have like a handful of these. And yeah, that's it for today's video. Do let me know what you guys thought about today's video in the description box below. And also let me know if I should do more food related videos. I would love to do more food related videos. But like the way today's video turned out, I don't know if you guys want me to do more of those, but I tried my best because there wasn't a lot available online. Also, last time when I did a food challenge, I could actually like go out, pick things out, and also like go out and have meals. And that's it for this series. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this series, and I can't wait to do it again next year. But before that, we do have Vlogmas coming, so get excited. Now let's move on to the finale of the giveaway. So this is what today's giveaway looks like. In order to win, all you need to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and tag 3 friends on my latest Instagram post. That's it. I'll see you very soon in October. Bye.